Hello, dear friends. I'm Shweta Sureka, your life coach and change catalyst. Welcome to day 2 of WhatsApp Masterclass. Friends, I hope you had spent some time yesterday sitting down with yourself and listing down all your beliefs. And if you did so, I'm sure you all must have realized how beliefs play such an important role in shaping how we respond to any event. In fact, how you would respond to this masterclass also depends a lot on your belief systems. Maybe you have joined such classes, such master classes or WhatsApp classes previously, twice or thrice or maybe once, but you did not take any action. So you again formed a belief in your mind that it's okay, I might just join the program, but I know I will not do anything about it. And when you make it happen repeatedly, twice, thrice, 4 times, it gives you a feeling of certainty. And you will see that you are getting into a pattern where no matter how many courses you are joining, how many events you are attending, but you always fail to take any action. Right? So whether we take any action in this masterclass also depends a lot on how you believe, what you think. Guys, beliefs are extremely strong. They have the power to create or to destroy. They can shape up our present and our future, or they can completely destroy our present and future. So it is very important that any belief which we are adopting should always empower us, help us move forward into our lives. Now, dear friends, if you had made the list of the beliefs yesterday, now let us go a little further into it and understand it even deeply so that we are able to break our limiting patterns. Now imagine any belief which you have to be like a tabletop. Now how does a tabletop stand strongly on the ground? It stands on its 4 legs. Supposing one leg breaks off, what happens? The table starts shaking a little. Another leg comes off. It will shake even more. And by the time the third and the fourth leg comes off, it will not stand anymore. It will completely collapse. Our beliefs are very similar to this tabletop. We always have some references which are like the legs of the tables on which we build our belief system. When it is an empowering belief, we need to strengthen those legs. But when it is a disempowering belief, we need to shake off and break those legs and replace it with a more empowering one. Let me give you all an example. I had a belief that I can never drive a car. When I started this exercise and I sat down, I tried thinking about the references which I have built for this belief. First reference which I could find was when I had started learning driving. There was once when I banged the car. Second, which I could think of and understand was people have a general perception that women are not as good drivers as their male counterparts. Right? These were the only 2 references I could think of when it came to driving. And the third one was People around me started telling that you will not be able to drive a car, because once when I had banged the car, it kind of scared me, and after that I had taken a break for quite some time. Now when I sat down and thought about the validity of these references, that's when I realized that they don't really hold any ground. We will come to it in our next session, where we'll question the validity of the references on which we build our beliefs. But for today, not for all your beliefs, but just your top 3 disempowering beliefs. Sit and think the references which you have for them. Why have you come to believe it? What has made you believe that you are not capable of doing it, or you are incompetent, or you are not worthy of being loved, or you cannot do a certain task? There has to be some references. Either it is a reference of your personal experience, or what people around you say, or it can be a global perception. And you will realize that when your reference is something which comes from a personal experience, it is the strongest, because we have experienced it. We will work on breaking those off and replacing it with a more powerful one. But for today, again, spend some time. Look at your different beliefs. Not only disempowering, but your empowering one as well. What are the references you have used? What are the legs on which that tabletop, that your belief top is standing? If it is an empowering belief, we will strengthen those legs. If it is a disempowering one, we will break those legs off and replace it with a more empowering one. Friends, change is just round the corner. The only thing required for you is to start taking actions. And for any action to be taken, start believing in yourself. Change is not something which is impossible. We all know change is the only constant. So bring about a change, believe in yourself, and start taking action, and you will definitely see that from where you had started, at the end of 5 days, you will be at a different place altogether. That is why I always say that be with an open mind, be ready to accept and bring in changes. It's a very small request. Each activity every day will not take much of your time. 15 to 20 minutes is enough. But please get into the habit of sitting with yourself, knowing yourself better, and that's how you can work on yourself. So, as I said earlier, think about the references based on which you have developed a certain belief, and tomorrow we'll start knocking them off one by one. Till we meet again tomorrow, keep smiling, keep shining.